Dip that ice cold and she'll fight for the white gold. This one for them good girls, straight masterpiece. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Get drugs on the Saint Laurent, I gotta kick myself, I'm so pretty. True hood, hot town, for the police and the environment. True hood, hot town, make a dragon water retirement. True hood, hot town, say my name, they know who I am. I'm too hood, hot town, and I'm mad about and money, bring it down. God said hallelujah, God said hallelujah, God said hallelujah, cause I've done one won't give it in, cause I've done one won't give it in, cause I've done one won't give it in. Saturday night we end this fight, I don't believe me, guess what? Come on! Don't believe me, guess what?
Ano pa sa'yo eh?
Don't believe me, just watch. Come on.
Any occasion po, birthday, anniversary,
Actually, birthday niya last week.
week. Yun,
Ah.
gawa natin ng paraan.
Sige.
7 days.
19, 17.
Hey, belated happy birthday, belated happy birthday, belated happy birthday sa'yo. Yahoo! Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati sa'yo. Sana nung birthday mo, ikaw ay maligaya, katulad ngayon. Ano? Ang saya-saya sa Jollibee. Marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Belated happy birthday sa'yo.
Belated happy birthday po.
Welcome home naman. KSA, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia.
Huwag tayo pumunta sa iba, dito na lang tayo pinasure. Ayan.
Ayan. Kasi tayo. Saan ka man? Naroroon ngayon sa isang Laguna City, Saudi, Japan, Hong Kong.
Love you, DFC.
Babalik ka rin
From Saudi.
at babalik ka rin ng Hong Kong. Babalik
Times 11.7.
Kailin anumang layo ang
Gaganyan ko para galingan.
Singapore, Australia, Europe, Saudi. Babalik at babalik ka rin. Kay tagal mo mang nawala, nakarami ka ng ipon.
Wala ka eh.
Kay tagal mo mang nawala, mayaman ka na, dati pa, babalik.
On behalf of the management and staff of this famous restaurant, Isdaan, we would like to greet welcome back to the Philippines 2015 sir from
Belated happy birthday. Gusto nyo na tayo.